wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best bike chain cleaners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the White Lightning Kit comes with 2 bottles of cleaner and a device that lets you clean your chain hands-free. While it is effective and affordable, it doesn't include much solution, so expect to have to buy more in the near future. It hooks onto the rear derailleur and has a helpful fluid fill line. However, it can make a bit of a mess. At number 9, Simple Green 20-ounce is a non-toxic, biodegradable, non-flammable solution that can still cut through grime buildup fairly well. It foams when applied, which gives it good clinging power for adhering to the sides of links. It doesn't emit any noxious fumes and is gentle enough for regular use, but it's not great for heavy degreasing. Coming in at number 8 on our list, Finish Line One Step works double duty to remove old grease and contaminants while simultaneously lubricating. This makes it ideal for recreational riders who only use their bike occasionally or who don't want to be bothered with a long cleaning process. It's available as a liquid or aerosol and protects against rust. However, it needs to be reapplied frequently. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bike chain cleaners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Bike Medicine Golden is an industrial strength option that washes off easily with water once its work is done. It can be used undiluted and a little goes a long way, so take care when dispensing it. It comes with a convenient folding spout that allows for a smooth and controlled flow, but it is expensive for an 8-ounce bottle. Moving up our list to number 6. From a well-known name in lubricants, WD-40 Bike Degreaser clings to surfaces, giving it time to work its magic, rather than simply running off like some other formulas. As a pressurized aerosol, it can penetrate between the links. It doesn't contain any harsh citrus and is also suitable for motorcycle chains. However, it tends to attract dust. Halfway up our list at number 5. You can spray the all-purpose muc-off nano tech to clear grime off any part of your bicycle, from the seat or tire to the brake pads and shock absorbers. Just bear in mind that it's not as powerful as a dedicated chain degreaser. It's a water-soluble formula and you can choose from 3 sizes. It contains no solvents or acids. At number 4, Pedro's Pig Juice is biodegradable and eco-friendly, and because it isn't too viscous, it flows nicely into the tight gaps between links, though it also drips off rather quickly. It's backed by a 1-year warranty and won't harm carbon crank arms. It contains no volatile organic compounds. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, one of the company's most popular products, Finish Line Speed, is an aerosol that's easy to apply. It'll strip debris away until you're left with bare metal, at which point it evaporates, leaving behind no residue. It requires no scrubbing or rinsing and is safe on paint and plastic. It's also suitable for disc brakes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bike chain cleaners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Park Tool CG 2.4 kit is biodegradable, yet can cut through all types of crud. It comes with tools to clean deep between cassette cogs without having to remove them. It includes a durable scrubbing instrument and a gear brush with tough bristles. It has a pleasant smell too. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Finish Line Pro Shop kit comes with everything you need to render your chain spotless, lubed and ready to use. You simply clip the scrubbing device onto your chain, hold it in position and let its brushes eradicate the dirt and muck. It features a magnet that collects metal particles and can take less than a minute. It doesn't create a mess either. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bike chain cleaners, or simply click beneath this video.